morning students. Today we discuss page number 251, demand for the state reorganization. State reorganization means independently linguistic states need to formation. Now see here, among the first challenge of new nation faced remaining of for the reorganization of states, the basic of the languages. First of all, language basic, that is called linguistic. Linguistic basic, that is the language is based in nations or states are need to formate them. So these formation we observed in the British period, the country divided into presidencies such as the Madras presidency, Kolkata presidency, Mumbai presidency, such and manner. Now large very number of states are in the part of the provinces. For example, Bengal provinces. You can observe from the part of West Bengal, Odisha, some part of UP, some part of Chhattisgarh, such Jharkhand states. See, you can observe that these part are the one part. Similarly, Madras presidency, it is most part speaking people of Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, Gondi, and Oriya language. All these part we observed Madras provinces. Last, we can observe up to Orissa, some part, Vaslandra, Telangana, and some part of the most part Maharashtra mid part, or there, edge part, Bidar part, and the Bangalore states part, Hindupur, up to Tamil Nadu. Totally we can observe these are the Madras provinces. So these include most of the all people are speaking the languages living the continuous of the very domain for the be organized under the one state. These include the campaign for the Samyukta Karnataka, one of the reservation Samyukta Karnataka part that is United Kannada speaking people spread across the Madras, Mysore, Bombay, Hyderabad. They want to one state formation. Similarly, Samyukta Maharashtra and Gujarat movement, the merger of the Trankovar and Cochin princely states in the state of Punjab for 6, such as will agreeing these demands help the build the unit country and it will lead to break the country among the linguistic lines and the main constellations. So on that time, the leaders has to major problem. They are doubted about that if we form the linguistic based states, it is helping the unification of the ideology to India. May they are united the country or not? The type of doubts are rising on the part of leaders on that period. The partition of the country is based on the religion. Already many partition of divisions through the religion based they are divided. Muslims are going to Pakistan. Most part of Hindu stay in India. Similarly, who are they live to the other minority people also lived some part here. So that's why we are a secular state nation we are. Similarly, Pakistan is based the religious nation with the Muslims. So we can observe these basic religions had created doubt and fear about the security and stability of India in the mind of the leadership. These are the fear. The language reorganization would be lead the break of the country. Even though the Congress itself organized on the linguistic line had promised and restructure the country on those lines, it developed a cold feet when the independence came. We observed a better experience in the time of the independence given times. Because India has to divide into two parts. On the West Pakistan on one side formed, East Pakistan is formed, middle part of the India, some part of some Samsthanas make into the independence part. All these things are better experience of the Indian leaders. That's why they are feeling about again the formation of the state reorganization in India. The most against forward the movement that the Telugu people, which was called upon the Congress, the Congress will implement the old resolution in favor of the linguistic states. The Andhra Mahasabha, which was one of the greatest activity even during British rulers, was the attempt to bring that together all the Telugu people speaking in the Madras presidency. This movement continued even after independence, so the movement is continued. The method of these include the petitions, representation, and street marches and panics. Given the Congress from opposition to this demand, the party did badly in Telugu speaking area the first elections. The seats are the parties who support the linguistic movement, they are not get correct votes. That's why they are losing. Jawaharlal Nehru was not opposed the linguistic states. He only believed that that is not a time for it. It is also that a consequential position among the leaders. On the day, he believed that India will be a process consolidated itself or should be no restorations. So State Reorganization Act 1956, what is saying it is Potti Sriram demanding the formation of separate Telugu people in the state. So he is fasting 58 days. He was passed away in 1952 December. The constituent state of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu was created. In 1953, State Diabetes Commission was appointed, that is called SRC Committee. Fazil Ali, K.M. Hanikar, and Hridaynath Kunju, the member of these address issue of the formation of these states on the basis of the linguistic principles. So on the basis of the report 1956, the states reorganization was act was a parliament, it is possible. It is lead the 14 states, 6 union territories. It lead to create 14 states, linguistics based, 6 union territories. It should be noted that linguistic states are being formed, the tribal language such as Gondi, Sampali and Oriyan are not taken into concentration in account, because there are only little bit of people here. Only the language of like Tamil, Telugu, spoken dominant popular population was considered. The creation of linguistic states was an example of how people and popular will be trumped, and also showed how politics resolved the problem. Looking back today, linguistic reorganization actually helped the consolidate in India, did not necessarily weaken in India as expected. What the previous Congress leaders are thinking about state reorganization if you have formed, it will be weak in the country. That is wrong in their opinion. It is shown in the future part. Now you can see today, so we have people on different states are formed, but we are all Indians. Or the garland has a tied with one thread, same in manner, different states are made to unification of ideology with the Indians. Okay, tomorrow remaining part I will explain. Thank you.